Are you looking for a simple way to earn extra cash in your spare time? Discover a free rewards app that lets you make money while doing what you love. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with this innovative app where playing games, reading news, and listening to music can put money in your pocket. With easy-to-use features and exciting earning opportunities, you'll be convinced that making extra income has never been more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your free time into cash. Watch now and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Turn your free time into cash with the Mode Earn app. Why not get paid for doing what you love? With the Mode Earn app, you can earn extra money effortlessly by playing games, reading the news, listening to music, and much more. It's simple. Engage in activities you already enjoy and watch your earnings grow. Cash in on your everyday mobile activities with the Mode Earn app. Whether you prefer cash or gift cards, this app lets you earn real rewards just by doing what you already love. From playing games and taking surveys to catching up on news and jamming to music, there are tons of ways to make money. With over 100,000 radio stations featuring top hits and new games from leading studios, you're getting paid for having fun. It's super easy to earn daily with this app. Keep the music player on your lock screen for extra earnings. Try out free games and apps, watch short videos, get rewarded. Invite friends and score gift cards or cash bonuses. Plus, charging your phone can even boost your earnings. Enjoy a seamless streaming experience while racking up rewards. It's completely free, no fees involved. Just pure earning potential. Cash out quickly once you've collected enough points from all these activities. Choose between cash or gift card rewards. It's as simple as that. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Download the Mode Earn app today and start cashing in on your everyday activities. Sign up now and unlock exclusive rewards. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others who may find it helpful too. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos like this one.